Hello, some workers. This is Marco, owner and co-founder of Amastone.com. In this short video, I want to show you how to use the filters, the advanced filters, to select the product that you are looking for. We have a lot of items listed in our e-commerce, more than 4,000, so have a fast way to select products is very important. Mainly, you can use three different ways to select the product. You can navigate on the menu, you can use the search bar, writing what you are looking for example, section, cup, round, or you can use the filter that I was talking about. So how you use the filter? In every category, you have some filter based on the attributes of every product, and you can filter products selecting a value of these attributes. Let's make some examples. Suppose that we are looking for a blade for a Laptec, and we know that the manufacturer that we want to choose is Diatex. So we go here in brand, we select Diatex brand, and here we have all the products made by Diatex. We select a product that we want to use in a bridge saw, and we select the application, so the material we want to work, that is Laptec. And here we have, in a few clicks, we have the product that we are looking for, and inside the product we have other parameters that we can choose, so 300 standard core steel, and then we can add to the cart. Another example that we can do is, suppose that we want to buy a tool holder for our Breton machine, ISO 40 for grinding wheel. So seems to be a very hard product to select, but let's see what you can do. We go to CNC tool holders. This is the main category for tool holders. We said that we need it for our Breton machine. So we select Breton machine, and here we have tool holder and accessories for tool holders Breton. We select ISO 40, and we select grinding wheel. So in just 3 clicks, we have the single product and the product that we can buy. Let's make a last example, and let's say that we want to buy angle grinder cutting blade for glass. So again, we start from our menu, and here, just to be faster, we have cutting blades. We go to cutting blades, but in this category we have a lot of cutting blades. We have 14 items. We don't care about the brand in this case, but we need a glass blade, and here we have 2 blades, different blades to choose. And if I need, for example, 85mm diameter blade, we have the single blade that we can buy. So I think it's really easy to find a product in our e-commerce. If you have suggestions or doubts, don't hesitate to contact us. And I hope you like our improvement in our website, and you enjoy to buy from Amastone.com. Bye bye.